Without rate limiting, a single malicious user could bring down your entire API in seconds. Let's explore how rate limiting acts as your API's primary defense mechanism. First, rate limiting prevents server overload by controlling the flow of incoming requests. When too many requests hit your API simultaneously, your servers consume excessive CPU, memory, and network bandwidth. This leads to resource exhaustion, where legitimate users experience slow response times or complete service failures. Rate limiting acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring your infrastructure only handles what it can actually process. Rate limiting also protects against malicious attacks. Denial of service attacks flood your API with requests to overwhelm it, while brute force attacks repeatedly try different passwords or tokens. By limiting how many requests a single client can make per time window, you effectively neutralize these attack vectors. An attacker can't flood your system or guess passwords at scale when they're restricted to, say, 100 requests per minute. Beyond security, rate limiting ensures fair usage across all your users. Without limits, one power user or misconfigured client could monopolize your API resources, degrading service for everyone else. Rate limiting guarantees that every client gets their fair share of server capacity, maintaining consistent availability and performance for your entire user base. Common implementation strategies include token bucket, which allows bursts but enforces average rates, sliding window for precise time-based counting, and fixed window for simplicity. When a client exceeds their limit, the API returns an HTTP 429 status code indicating too many requests, often with headers showing when they can retry. Most frameworks provide built-in middleware for these patterns. Rate limiting is essential for any production API. It prevents overload, blocks attacks, and ensures fair access. Master these concepts to build resilient, scalable systems. Keep practicing with Interview Mentor. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.